Yeah, I just find it ironic. It's just ironic, you know. Life, life in general, just ironic. I gotta get a good stretch in. Such a beautiful day. Sky is blue. But yeah, it's just ironic, man. You know, when you just like trying to strive for better and you just, you just want to be great. You just want to, reach for greatness. You might be investing in yourself. You might be putting your best foot forward. You know what I'm saying? And it's crazy, like, it like be the people like closest to you, like be like family and stuff like that don't really like support you for real, but they like not even present at all in nothing that you do in your everyday life. Like you're not really just present like that. You're not really like invested into my kids, and you're not really invested into nothing that I'm doing or nothing. But people just have these opinions, and people, want to look from the outside looking in, and they got like, they might have like timing on you, like you need to have this done by this time, and you need to do this by this certain time. And like, why you watching me so hard? Like, you wasn't even studying me when I wasn't doing nothing or when I wasn't doing anything. But now all of a sudden that I'm trying to, push myself further and do bigger things, now it's like, it's just crazy how life is, man. You get people close to you that's like, never there, but then like you will go, I can call a stranger. Like I hit up a guy, shout out to my friend Prince. He's a financial consultant, you know what I'm saying? Financial consulting guy, you know what I mean? And he big on credit and all that. And his cousin plays for the Tampa Bay Bucks, you know what I mean? And he was just telling me, he was like, I just asked him straight up, could he like add me as an AU to his credit, you know what I'm saying? And he said, yo, just get with me, hit me up this weekend, and I'll do that for you. Some people you just gotta help out and help out the kindness of your heart and just help people. And he don't even know me like that, bro. It just baffles me how it be like people you don't even know that'll like bless you and put you on and put you up in the world, or help you, you know what I'm saying, just by you asking, you know what I'm saying? But like people that done known you generally like your entire livelihood, you know what I'm saying, look at you and watch you from afar, don't really be helping you out, don't really want to fund your operation or say, here, man, I see what you're doing, let me put some on that and let me like push you to where you need to be because I see that you're doing great things and I'm watching the shit out you. You know what I'm saying? But they don't want to like help you out and contribute, but they'll have opinions about where you should be, how you should operate, what you should do. They're such an expert, but they're not an expert on like just being a real genuine person and just having somebody back and just like really just being there for real. Is it like really always about the money? Is it always about the check? Or is it just generally about helping someone out, reaching your hand, extending your hand out and just helping somebody, you know what I'm saying? Just want to vent really, because I really don't talk a lot really, you know what I'm saying? But I'm I'm definitely building my blog and building my channel up and all that. So, we just trying to grow out here, you feel me? And just trying to connect and enlighten people's mindset on, people that's really there for you and people that's really just there to watch you and people that's just watching you from afar to see if you fail or not or see if you succeed or not. People that's preying on your downfall, people that ain't really there, really. They say they there, they say they love you, they say they really there, but really in actuality, they not there. They really not around. They really could care less, because if they really cared, they'll be trying to put a real, effort or effort into like really be hands-on with you, not just generally about what you're doing, but just being there for you, just being there and playing the role that they're meant to play in this game that we in, you know what I'm saying, in this life that we in. But that's how people do. Some people just change up. Some people play you from afar. Some people like family members or close people around you, or people that you noticed was around you at certain times, but now they not around you no more, or that you might be bettering yourself, you might be leveling up, and now certain people coming around having opinions, you know, because we open our big mouth. We always like to, when we come up, we like to talk and tell people what we doing because we're happy. We're moving up. We want to, you know, express ourselves and let people know how blessed that we been and how successful we're being, because we don't get them pats on the back like that. You know what I'm saying? We don't get people cheering us on and saying keep going and rooting for you and doing all those things like that. So of course we like to go and tell people our blessings and tell the graces and the blessings that God has given us. And some people just can't really fathom that. Some people that you telling, you should really close your mouth. Some blessings and stuff that you doing ain't for everybody to know. And I'm learning that right now. Just going through that right now. Some stuff that I'm doing ain't meant for everybody to know. Because that one thing you told them is they're gonna go tell the whole family what you doing. They're gonna tell other people your plan. So now everybody up on your plan, your agenda, what you doing, whatever. Just a little small part of the plan, but they up on what you doing. You know what I'm saying? So you just gotta be smart in this game, because people really like try to play up under you to get information, and really you don't really even fuck with them like that. But since they around and shit, since y'all sitting around communion, talking, whatever, you might spill the beans on some shit that you might be doing that you should have been quiet about. You know what I'm saying? God really don't want you talking to everybody. He don't want you telling everybody everything. You work hard for your position. Don't tell the enemy your position and then let them go back and pray on your downfall and watch you from afar and hope and pray that you don't go farther than them. Because people want to see you do good, but they don't always want to see you do better than them. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just learning a lot. You know, you learn a lot in life. You know what I'm saying? And I'm venting right now. Again, like I'm just venting. You know what I'm saying? I'm just, you know, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? You know, I hope everybody been doing great, staying inspired, getting it out in the city, seeing things, doing things. You know, I'm going to put some footage on the end of this joint and show y'all a little footage of downtown Beale Street. You know, today, you know, the Grizzlies play the Pelicans. And so it's a lot of people downtown New Orleans, and they got the Corvettes down there on Beale. So I'm going to drop some footage on there too. Y'all can check that out at the end of this video. But, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Just level up, man. Keep your vibration high. It's people that don't really want to see you be happy. It's people that really don't want to see you succeed them. Not succeed, but succeed them. You know what I'm saying? Everything's like almost like a competition. You know what I'm saying? But when it's really not, because all of us are equal. All of us come from struggling situations. Some of us, most of us, a lot of us don't. Some of us are fortunate enough to have family members or, like family members and, people around us that had money or had generational wealth that could have passed that down to them. But for those that didn't have that silver spoon or didn't have that opportunity, you know, we got to grind. We got to get out here and work. You know what I'm saying? So basically what I'm saying is, man, you know, I kind of lost my train of thought, but basically what I'm saying is we just got to stay focused. You know what I'm saying? We got to keep moving, keep pursuing. Don't let nobody throw us off our goal, because they watching you. You know what I'm saying? You shining, you doing your thing, man. You know, you out here, you moving. You might be selling books like my guy. He sell books, my homeboy. He know who I'm talking to. He know what I'm talking about. We just chopped it up the other day at the store and shit. I know he be watching and stuff. So, man, he sell books and stuff. And, you know, he motivating the people out here. He putting a lot of work out here for God and putting information out here for the people to enlighten themselves on end times and end events, and letting them know that we in different times right now. You know what I'm saying? Shit is changing before our eyes. You know what I'm saying? COVID, it wiped out a lot of stuff. It reset a lot of things, you know what I'm saying, after that. And, you know, since then, you know, we just been trying to bounce back, especially us in Memphis, man, you know, because being from Memphis is like, shit, it's like, man, a lot of pain and a lot of people, you know, losing their life, and, you know, a lot of, you know, crazy shit going on out here, you know what I'm saying? So we definitely got to, like, raise our vibration. We got to raise our frequency we definitely gotta like, you know, eat the right things, work out, exercise type stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I lost a lot of pounds. You know what I'm saying? Getting out here, doing my thing, and you know, getting out here, you know, running, jogging, hitting the weight, stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? And just, you know, sea mossing. You know what I'm saying? Stuff like that. Keeping your skin looking, you know, nice and clean. You know what I mean? You know, so yeah. You know, we just got to do the right things and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So, and keep the right people around you, because, you know, like I'm saying basically in this message, that, you know, it's people that, you know, don't want you to succeed them. You know what I'm saying? It's people, not succeed. It's people that want you to succeed, but it's people that don't want you to succeed them. You know what I'm saying? Or they get nervous, or they might feel some kind of way because you're outgrowing them in a way. But pay attention to people that want to help you too, that want to bring something to your table too, because those are people that you want to keep around. You know what I mean? Man, shout out to everybody that's watching. Diverse Music Group, y'all know what it is, man. 11-11, man. Let's get it. Game night tonight. We play the Pelicans. You know what I'm saying? We're finna get on their ass. What's going on? You enjoying the day today?
Yeah. Come down here for the game.
See, they got the vets out here.
Yeah, we come for the Pelicans game.
Oh, you watching the game today? You going to the game? That's what's up. Doing nothing, just Ubering around.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
You make pretty good out here?
Yeah, make pretty decent.
Oh, all right. Nice truck.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Lined up for the Pelican game today. Downtown big. Second Street. BB Clean Blues Club. They brought out the vest today, you know what I mean? Damn, Beale Street packed, boy.
Oh, yeah, all the way to the other end. Nothing but vets, all on the side.
Beale Street lit today.